Welcome. This short video will demonstrate programming a Cortex LT using the LT Builder. The Builder is a software wizard that steps the user through the process of creating an application. In this example, we will create a velocity mode center winder using dancer compensation. The Builder is started by clicking on the LT Builders and Calibrators pull-down menu and selecting Build Application. The introduction screen reminds you that it is highly recommended that all parameters be reset to factory defaults before proceeding. Our example is a center winder or take-up. The drive will be operating in the velocity mode, and we will be using dancer feedback. Diameter compensation is recommended for any winder where the build ratio, which is the ratio of max diameter to min diameter, is roughly 3 or greater. There are a number of different methods of measuring or calculating the diameter. In this example, we will choose external signal. I must then select which input to the Cortex LT the diameter signal will use. This screen allows us to calibrate the external diameter signal. Apply the minimum signal to the input and click 0% auto. Likewise, apply the maximum signal to the input and click 100% auto. Next, we must define which Cortex LT input the line speed signal will use. Once again, we can calibrate the signal as before. Input the minimum signal and click 0% auto. Then input the maximum signal and click 100% auto. Now I must enter the diameter of an empty core and the maximum roll diameter. In this example, we will be using a simple weighted dancer. As we have done previously, we must select what input the signal will use, and then calibrate the minimum and maximum levels. In most dancer applications, an internal set point of 50% is used. The trim range defines how much effect the dancer PID circuit can provide. 10% is generally a good starting point. Batching control allows a certain length of material to be processed. I'll select No for this example. Finally, we must select which output to use from the Cortex LT. This output will be wired to the winder drive. The factory preset values of bias and gain will typically be used to provide a 0 to 10 volt DC output signal. When the builder is done, clicking Finish will cause the software to program the Cortex LT with the selected settings. This simple